Hello guys, this is Vivek and this is 36th tutorial of this Linux tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to learn about breaking root password. So working on Linux machine, many times you reach a situation where you need to break the root password. Either you forgot the password or you are given a machine where your root password is not known. Reformatting machine is one of the option, but you always don't want to do that because there is data loss involved and it's a tedious process. So how to break root password? So I'll take example of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So when the Linux starts, you are given this particular screen. Press escape so that it stops here. So in the previous tutorial we learned about Linux boot process. Here we are trying to make use of our understanding and break the root password by tweaking some of the things. We'll see how to do that. So by hitting the escape here, when we were given this bootloader or the option to select the operating system, we halted the process. Now we will try to edit this file, bootloader file, by hitting E. So when you click E button, it goes to the edit mode. We'll scroll down. By cursor moving keys will come down to the last line, and we will go to the end of this particular line where it says language equal to en underscore us, and that's the font UTF-8, and then we'll add a spacebar and we'll write here rd.break, then space, and console access should be given to terminal 1. That's where we are typing right now, tty1. Alright, so what we added, we typed rd.break and space, then console equal to tty1. We'll hit Ctrl X to resume the process, but it will stop where we have added these lines rd.break and console access should be given to tty1. So we are given this particular screen where we are able to type something. So right now its sysroot is mounted as read only. We need to remount as read write. So we are going to type mount space -o, then remount, and we need read write access to where sysroot. Alright, now we need to change the root to sysroot. Change root, ROOT. Alright, now we need to delete the existing root password, then only we will be able to add it. So we'll type passwd -d for delete and then username root. It says removing password for user root. It successfully deleted the password for root. Now once we have deleted it, we need to add a new password. So we'll type passwd root and enter. It'll ask for a new password. We'll enter a new password, re-enter the new password. Done. Now whatever changes we have made, we have to make sure that it's not reverted. So we will touch a file called auto relabel, auto relabel. So it resets all the changes that we have made during the boot process except the password. So we have touched this file. We'll exit from here and we will reboot the machine. Now we'll see whether the new password we just entered or we broke, are we able to work on it or not. So it will take some time. I'll pause the video and resume where I'm giving the login screen after rebooting. Now the machine has rebooted and we are presented with this login screen. We are going to write username as root because we broke the root password, and we'll try to enter the new password here. Cool, we just logged in. This means we successfully broke the root password. So I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future updates.